Hello. It's me, Bald Rivulet. I'm just kidding. So I know nobody really, uh, asked for a voice reveal. I know I didn't, but I, like, never planned on being, like, a person who, like, would do text because I'm too lazy to do that. So, today we're checking out a pretty popular modded region, Coral Caves, and then we're gonna go to Hanging Gardens, and I eventually want to get to Preservatory because, like, that's what I'm trying to do, and it's painful to get there. So I've been going on like this entire journey to get there. But I just got through the gate for submerged superstructure. So let's go through. I'm going pretty much blind into this. I never look at custom regions. Like I never play custom regions. I don't know why, because they're really cool, but I just haven't. Oh my god. I love jetfish. Not really. Oh, hello. No. I swear to god if I die here. Anyway, uh, if I die here, I'm going to be so pissed off. I'm playing as Rivulet though, because like, from what I've seen, this is a water region. And Rivulet typically does do good in water regions. This is really pretty so far. I just want to make sure there's not like a shelter fairly close. Can't even shelter if I do find one. Oh, is that a salamander? Oh, that's nice. If I go here, you're not gonna like all of a sudden pop through, are you? I should probably eat. And just so, in case I do find a shelter, I can just go right. Can you swim down, please? Thank you. I'm in a survivor's campaign because, like, that's just kind of the normal thing. I am proud of myself, though, for. Oh, the music is really pretty. This whole thing is really pretty. I am proud of myself, though, for, finding the region, or finding the gate relatively quickly. It took me, like, 10-ish minutes. Just because I never go to submerged superstructure. I went there when I played Rivulet for the first time and then just never went back because, well, I don't really know, but I gave myself the rare faction cell with Beastmaster though because I have no idea how, like, possible submerged superstructure is without without it. Can you go down there? No, I can't. See a lot of blue lizards this way, so come on. This way. Turbulent pump. Oh, it's like, that's probably why it's called turbulent pump. Okay, can I get up and not drown, please? Thank you. I'm really liking this so far. This seems a lot of fun. I just hope there's a shelter somewhat close. Is that a purple lizard? I'm... those are weird lizards. I'm not gonna go that way right now. Oh no. I should have brought Artificer for this. We all know how well she'd do. Uh... Yeah, shelter would be really nice. just because if I die, I have to go, like, all the way back. To, like, before the gate, and I don't really want to do that because my legs out like crazy. For some reason, gates. Oh, you're supposed to go through here. Didn't know that was a thing. I think if we just play it safe, I'll be fine. Okay, there we go. I'll get some food. Why is there, like, threat music playing? Well, I don't have to worry about that right now. I have no idea how to get Hanging Gardens. Like, I had a map kind of the area, but I forgot it because I forget a lot of things, but... Oh, there's that dream, I guess. Yeah, I really want to get to the Preservatory because I've heard it's a really cool region. But, the little kind of issue with it is you have to go through Hanging Gardens and Coral Caves, which I know probably people don't really care about seeing some random person going through modded regions that are probably seen 100 times, but... maybe I should go the... Can I go, like, a different way? Without getting murdered by some blue lizards? You... God. Go. I swear to God. Don't you just love when the slug cat refuses to go through the pipe and then you get murdered? Oh my god, get up. I think if I go, I haven't gone up here. No, I have. I haven't gone this way because I was too scared of those lizards. Oh shit. Yeah, I was right to be a little afraid of those. It's just stole the rarefaction cell. Um, do I really want to get that back? I don't want to risk that for now. I mean, I don't really think I need it, but I probably do, but whatever. I'll be fine. This is really cool, though. I think I'm supposed to go... Oh, I haven't gone down. Can't really go down, though. No. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to go for it. Can you get up here? There's like nothing here. But there is one of these. Oh, yay, I can fight them in Sandbox if I wanted to. They kill it? Look at that. I'm so good at the... just... Get up, please. Okay, that one over there, I don't think I've gone. Or that. I'm not very good when it comes to exploring custom regions, or like regions in general, because I'm just kind of impatient to get out of there. I haven't been here, I don't think. Oh yeah, there's a pearl. I don't know how to get the pearl. What? Oh, I'm holding a rock. I forgot I was holding a rock. What is that thing over there? I don't really want to know, because if you see a new creature in Brain World, it's like if... What the fuck? Well, it doesn't seem to be too pissed off at me for trying to kill it. I don't really like that thing. Can't say I'm a huge fan. Oh, this is how you get the pearl. Guess I'll just keep that for later, I guess. Unless I find something more interesting. I mean, I'm sure that's really interesting, but I don't really have time to run back to Moon or Pebbles or whatever. Oh, come on. Oh, this looks different. I wonder if we're getting into like the more well-known part of the region, like the one you see the screenshots of. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell that is, but I don't really like it. Yeah, they say like this, don't play Rain World if you have arachnophobia. I don't think that's probably a spider, but I don't like it. This does also kind of seem like a bad time to be exploring the region, just because of the Watcher coming out, but like, do we oh, shelter. Do we oh yay, we're in the actual coral caves. Right, I think. But do you really realistically expect for like Preservatory to be in there too? I don't remember if Hanging Gardens is coming to Watcher or not, but oh yeah, this is the part I've seen screenshots of. Like I've seen a few screenshots, but mostly I'm going in blind. I'm gonna shelter before something bad happens. So it looks kind of like it's got those poles and like pebbles and Moon does. So I'm assuming maybe this is like used to be an iterator or something. Okay. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Am I having fun? Yes. Why are they flashing red? Oh. Okay, I found another spear. I should have... I should probably enable pick spears from walls, but I might just be like a little weird, but kind of feels like cheating, I guess. What? Okay. Uh, I guess you don't want to mess with those things. They kind of look like, They kind of look like a more like stronger version of like orange lizards. Because like, yeah, I can see them like... How did I miss that? Oh my god, I've heard this threat music so good. I've heard this threat music before. It's so good. I actually love this. This is by Snoodle, because Snoodle has some like really good threat music. I'm assuming it is because I feel like they do most of the threat music for the regions. Oh, I threw that the wrong way. Dude, are you kidding me? Gotta love Rain World. Leave me alone. Oh, imagine falling down there. Oh, a karma flower. Mind if I do? Oh my god, get up there. Okay, it seems like we're going kind of back into Turbulent Pump. Oh. See, this is why you play as Rubula in this region. Come on, let me go over here. Kinda wanna go the other way. If I die again, probably go that way. Oh yeah, we're in this room. Grab this blue fruit though. Well, I'm just kind of wandering around here. Oh wait, this is new. Haven't seen this. Oh, there's a shelter. Really need, know if I need that though. Come on, get up there. There. Oh, this is a gate. I wonder if this is like to one of the other regions I don't have installed. Because I don't have a ton of regions installed, I just have coral caves and stuff. Oh my god. Ignore my terrible wall climbing skills. Oh, this looks like pipe yard. I know nobody knows what pipe yard is. Or like looks like. Do I want to pick a fight? You did not see that. Oh, this looks really pretty. Uh... Fuck. Okay. We're gonna shelter there. I fucked that up. Okay. While we walk back there, though, I want to just kind of... I know probably nobody cares. I feel like I keep talking about like nobody cares. Like, oh, have a pity party. I'm not trying to do that, but uh, going forward, what I want to do with this channel, I want it to be more than the shitpost thing that shows up every like 3 months. So I kind of want to. I know a ton of other channels do this, and I'm like not, I'm not breaking any like new ground or anything. But I want to like just like make videos on stuff that interests me, or like mostly just check out Rain World Hollow Knight mods. I know. Hollow Knight doesn't have as much like expansive regions or like new characters to play as like Rain World does. But, you know, some of them are still pretty cool. Like one I'm planning on making a video of at some point here. It's actually gonna be the first video I had with my voice in it. But I accidentally made the game audio too loud and you can't really hear me, so I'm gonna have to re-record that. If you don't mind that. Oh, is it a vulture? So I hope you don't mind that it won't be my complete blind first experience for the first couple minutes. I think I killed that one. Fuck. Why do I keep doing that the wrong way? I don't know what that is. The thing like just moved. Oh, 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 what the fuck? Oh, thank God those things die in one spear. Oh, I guess he's not dead, but close enough. But, so yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. I also have plans to, like... Oh, I'm going the wrong way. But, this looks cool, so I'm just gonna wander through here a bit. Maybe. Revealed's kind of drowning over here. Okay. But, yeah, that's my plan. And also maybe some line playthroughs. Like, I want to do a playthrough of The Watcher when it comes out, obviously. I know there's a lot of people that are planning on doing that, but... wrong way. But, yeah, I'm really excited for The Watcher. It's gonna be really cool. Especially if we got, like, some super cool new regions. Like that purple one. That one looks so pretty. Oh. No, don't go up there. Stop. I also probably won't be that confident for a while because I'm still getting used to this whole, oh my god, I'm a epic YouTuber now. People are gonna hear my voice because I'm like, whenever I hear my voice, I always feel like people are gonna think I'm way younger than I actually am. I feel like I sound like a 5-year-old. I don't even remember what way I went to get here. Did I go down here? No. I mean, I might have at some point, but okay, I think it's up here. Oh yeah, it's down. It's here. Can you please leave me alone? Well, I had another spear here. Oh wait, I do. How? Ignore me kind of panicking here. Oh my god, move, 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 move. Coward. There we go. It should be, the guy should be pretty dead. Just gonna put that there. Okay, I'm gonna shelter. Editing toaster here. I sheltered and then the game crashed, so I took it as an omen to end it, and I saw like this was like 25 minutes long, and I know people don't have the attention span for 25 minutes long. So part 2 will be somewhat soon. I don't know. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Yeah, all that fun stuff. Goodbye.